How to download the Spender app on your Android device. Are you guys facing issue to download the Spender app on your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now just simply tap on source icon and search for Spender app. As soon as you search for Spender app, you'll be able to see this icon for a Spender application. Click on the second option. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this interface, app launched by Mustaqbal. Now just simply tap on install. As soon as you click on install, Spender app will instantly start to download on your Android device. It will take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. As soon as it gets downloaded, it will appear on your mobile home screen. So that's it guys, that's how you download the Spender app on your Android device. As you guys can see, the app has been installed on our device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.